This our country like this, and now God go help person. Which day they do protest for here? Which day? Now people just day. They say their properties like say tomorrow no day. They don't they sell properties. So say they don't create group for selling of properties. Ha! They say share, they say this, they say that. Ah! Kilo day. Now je go over war safe. Jen. The group like this, if everybody will they post now, they are Jen, they won't say. Who won't try and buy for Jen this period? They'll be like, say, for how much? Who won't try that roughly? When I take them easy with the sell, you know, before I go mistakenly go sell on our children, say, hungry not too much. I don't say hungry day, I don't say the country no balance. I beg, when I take them easy before I go sell on our children. As for the federal government, when I still pity you also, when I pity you.